Hello everyone. After we set up our pipeline, we set up the div server, the Tomcat, the runner, the Maven, and everything. Now we need to set up our GitLab, our CI/CD, how to push the code from our Linux server to GitLab server. From GitLab server, he go to the div server. From there, we have to use Maven to get our artifact called for Java. Then from there, we can see the result in Tomcat server. Okay, so now we set up the Git runner, our CI/CD step by step by pipeline. We go over to our server. Now we refresh. We should have the GitLab CI YAML. We do and use the editor. And I told you before, if you use big lines, you should use better editor like vStudio from Microsoft, or Sublime, or Atom, or other editor. Why? Because the coloring is very, very important. If you do this, like example, in Notepad, okay, I'll give you example. If I open Notepad, okay, if I just copy here, I can put here, but it's very, very, very easy to be mistakes. So sometimes the coloring is very good to make you sure everything works perfect. Okay, so we edit and we use the editor online. Is very useful. Can give us lines. We can see any mistake before we run the comment. So we edit the pipeline editor. Okay, I will make bigger a little bit. You can see. Okay, stages. How many stage? For now, we don't know. We see step by step. First, we send the file without any require for set. We have the file where the files will be in the GitLab server. Okay, so the file will be in GitLab server. The fetch data no need, because we'll run from the developer guys. He will commit the file, then will the running in the GitLab server. Okay, so what we do, we need to build the code. So we have the files. We need to build with help of Maven. Okay, so if you go to the build, so we call the stage build. Okay, here there will be the same. The tags which was server we run on div. Okay, the script. Okay, we have a file called Tomcat. Let me duplicate. Let me close all the things we don't need. Maven, Git, we close everything here. Only we left the Tomcat. Okay, I will duplicate. Just I go to Java. Let me make this small. Go to code repository. Okay, the line or the file to execute in Java project is under POM, POM AXML. So we have to execute this file. When they execute this file, we'll run the whole project. Okay, so Maven usually they run only this file. From this file will give me all the result. Okay, if you remember when we do the Java and Maven and Linux, we set up in cd opt Maven. Okay, so our Maven will be here. Okay, under pen. So I see in the pen ll. This is the command only mvn. This is when you run. You can see the result. Okay, also you can see mvn version. Also they give you the version of Maven. Okay, 3.9 on 0.6. Okay, so this is the command line. So I take the whole line, Maven bin plus mvn. Okay, so this is the binary to execute. I go to my pipeline. So please execute to build our Java -f, which file name. Our file name is bom.axml. So I will save the file name. Okay, it's just like that. This is how to build our Maven. So what's the life circle for this? And usually in life circle and Maven, if I open here, Maven life circle, they have more than packages. If I go here, build life circle for made up for phase, they have 7 stage: validate, compile, test, packages, verify, install, deploy. Okay, so if you choose example packages, they will run 4 stage: 1, 2, 3, 4. If I choose install, they will run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So whatever you run one, they will run the whatever before. Okay, so for us, we can install, we run install, or we run packages. Okay, so we go to our pipeline. So I run clean, means clean anything before, and we do any life scar. I choose package or I choose install. For now, I choose install. If I choose install, they will run validate and compile and test and packages and verify and install. So I run install, no issue. Install. Okay, now we done. We built. Okay, so I commit and see if any issue come or not. I go to my pipeline, another Windows. We see only here, if you see one icon stage, it's only one because we run only one. Okay, if I click pipeline, you will see only one job, job one. Okay, it's built and green. If I go here, we'll get our artifact. I will tell you in Java code, when I run with Maven, they will give me the artifact. The artifact ending with .war, WER, or .jar. This the or the artifact from Java product, from Java code. So the extension will be war or jar, only this. So I go to my logs. I see my output is .war. This is the snap. This is not this one. The other one, payment. Here, this is the artifact. Okay, it's called payment.page.war. This is my artifact. Okay, this is all based on home git runner. If I take the whole path, just double check. I go by Linux server, cancel this, cd ll. Okay, so my artifact is this, the one. Okay, this is my artifact. This is the file get after Maven built. Okay, so this one I need to run it or move it to Tomcat. From Tomcat, he can see the result of application. Okay, we do one by one. Now the artifact will be here. Okay, so if you see this path, I think from here, this is the temporary path. Okay, so we have to save it as artifact. How to save it as artifact? We can use variable. We learn about variables. The default variable from GitLab. Okay, one of them is called, I think, project. Let me search default variables in GitLab. Okay, project, I think, directory build GitLab. Okay, this is the variable. If I run this one, it will give me the whole path for the GitLab build. Okay, so let me echo first. Okay, let me take the whole path first. I put in Notepad. Okay, then copy. I go to my CI/CD. Okay, I will make it job 2 stage deploy. I have to add stage here. Same deploy. Okay, tags diff script echo $. I want to see just why open. I want to just see that line. This will be the same path or not. If the same path, so we can use this one for artifact. Okay, so we do comment. Let me go here, open jobs, the job number 55, I see. I go inside, now I save it, not here, they go job, I think 56. Go inside, now they print for me the whole path, okay? I will compare. It's same path I wanted, okay? So enter Java. So target this the artifact, okay? So we use the same variable to save the artifact, okay? So I go to under the first stage deployment. I go inside, see artifacts path. So where's the artifact? This one, the whole path. Oops, not here. Dash the whole path slash we come from the old one slash java slash war. Remember this one come from the variable, so we just take this one, okay? This is the artifact. Now we save it so we can deploy it, okay? We deploy way, let me here, we deploy to any directory, okay? For now we do it in we temp slash temp, okay? So I see this one because already saved it in the artifact. So I see cp is copy in Linux, okay? Copy the artifacts to slash temp, okay? Like that. We see temporary if they copy to slash temp or not, okay? Then we comment, we go to the cd slash temp ll. I have open file, let me delete all file here. ll, by the way is already copy here as required, so let me remove, don't confuse, remove everything, okay? Now I have nothing, so let me rerun the pipeline. Go to the pipeline because they have two stage. Now we have two stage. Let me not edit Java. Comment. Jobs. Now it's running. Now it's done. I go to slash temp. Now the artifact works fine. Okay, so we have artifact in slash temp as we require. So if I go to our pipeline, my pipeline is correct. So we save it in artifact. From artifact, we copy to any way you want. Okay, now we can copy to slash tomcat this area. Okay, and tomcat, where's the location of tomcat? cd slash opt tomcat. From here we go to slash web page. So the artifact should be here, okay? So we can run the application. So I take the whole path slash opt tomcat and web page, web app. I go to my pipeline. So please copy the artifact to this one, okay? Slash. We have to stage, install, save the artifact, then we copy the artifact to here. Commit. We go here, we go to the pipeline, we see the pipeline, we run the pipeline. We have now two stage, one is one stage. We have some issue here. We click enter with the issue. I think we have permission denied, okay? So with how to fix it, we run and sudo, okay? So I run cp sudo commit pipeline. We see the second one, the deploy is blue. We see it's successful or not. Now it's green. If I go to here, the page.war is already here, the artifact. If I go to the website of Apache refresh, and we have the payment page. I click here and we have the updated page automatic. So we run again, this time from Linux, just last one. I go to the Linux guy. Okay, this is my developer. Let me refresh or pull, git pull origin main sam. Okay, so let me vim main. Oops, I want to edit the file. cd source main cd web vim index. We change the index. Example, we have here what we have. We have Visa and MasterCard. We can add just example for PayPal. Okay, so we copy this line and add this line. Let me make it same. From MasterCard to PayPal, just for testing. PayPal. Okay, save it. Before we push, so our CDR or pipeline is correct, means from my Linux server, the developer time is Sam. He sent the code to Git server. From Git server, he pushed to the dev server. From dev server, he run with processor to build by Maven. From Maven, the artifact go to Tomcat server successfully. We see our pipeline works fine or not. So what we do, get status, we add. So git add, git commit -m, adding PayPal payments, for example. Git push origin main sam. The best things, when I run here, everything will run automatic. Now I go to the pipeline. The pipeline should be running from here successfully, but it's like we from push git comment. Maybe was done git add, git status. Oh, we haven't git add. I think we have mistake here. I never noticed. Sorry. See git add, git commit -m. Now it's added. Now git push origin main. So sometimes I run so fast I never see the error, but this is bad practice. You should read everything from the output. Okay, Sam now is pushing. By right, the pipeline will run automatic. Now see the pipeline run automatic without any involve or manual. So we go inside. Now the job 1 is done. The job time is 2. Now we go to the payment. We refresh. Now we have PayPal is added automatic. So we already done our pipeline successfully. Okay, so in the next video, if you can run from another server like production, how we run the same way. Okay, keep up and see you next video. Take care.